Okay, so hi everyone at Levoit, or those helping us out here. I have the device plugged in there, the Levoit. I've had this, the water reservoir is filled up to just below the max. And the same here within the base. And the base is all clean. We've cleaned it regularly, so I don't see any buildup of anything even down inside the tube there. I don't see anything in the ventilation tube that seems off in any way. And now